Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another appetizer. It is stuffed eggplant and yeah, let's just go to the kitchen and I'll show you guys how to do it. Ingredients we have here: exactly half a kilogram of eggplants, thoroughly washed. Keep the head, and we've cut it this way so we don't need it all the way through. Okay, we have 2 peppers that we'll grill later on, about 3 tablespoons of parsley, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons vinegar, salt as much as you need, and half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a handful of chopped walnuts. First step is just taking our steamer. You can steam it on the stove, but our stove is occupied right now, so we're using this electric one. And you just steam your eggplant for about 25, maximum of 30 minutes, or until you see that they're cooked. We're taking our peppers and we're putting them on a tray lined with baking paper. You can also roast them on the grid, but we're just gonna do it because it's more easy this way, and we're gonna take them to the oven on approximately 250 degrees Celsius until they're cooked. Just keep an eye on them. So once the eggplant has cooked, we just put it on a plate and we let it cool. And after the pepper has roasted, we just peel it and we finely chop it up, like dice it up very finely. And because when we cooked this, we just steamed it, we didn't season it or season the water at all. We just take some salt and we spray it. Now we just attempt to like gently rub the salt on it, as well as like on the inside, so that it actually it enhances the flavors. You rub the salt into the eggplant, you just come to the pepper and we just add in our garlic, and parsley, now we add in the walnuts and our seasoning. And the vinegar. So I didn't end up using all of the salt and pepper as well as vinegar because it might have turned out too acidic for the small portion we have. And now we just mix it and incorporate all of the ingredients together. So now we just take an eggplant and just be gentle with it and gently press it down a little so there is room for filling. Grab a small spoon, just fill it from the inside. Be generous, but don't overfill it. That's about enough. And you just gently press it down a little to close it. And you put it in a plate. So this is what the final product looks like. The peppers have given this beautiful vibrancy to the otherwise dark color of the eggplant, and when we serve it with a little bit of olive oil. You just gently drizzle it. And you serve it. You can also store it in the fridge up to 1 week. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to support me further on making future videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.